Hey yo, what is up guys? How are you guys are doing? I hope everyone is having a fantastic day as always. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment, share. Just do whatever you gotta do. I just came from work and just keep bothering me to set up the playpen for the baby. So that's what I'm gonna do and I'll show you guys how I set it up. Since yesterday she keep bothering me to set it up, but I was busy doing other stuff and all kind of thing because the weekend I had so many stuff was going on. We didn't get to film anything because we were so busy with other stuff. Saturday we went to one of Jazz cousin birthday, so we went over there. It's all in Pickering, and we had a nice time. And then we came home back around 12 o'clock in the night, and we were supposed to go fishing Saturday, but what happened was because they had a birthday party, I canceled my fishing because whenever I go fishing or whenever I go to my friends, I always come back late, so I wouldn't make it back to come for the parties. So I decided to cancel the fishing, and we go to the party instead. And then Sunday we went to fishing. I get at 5 o'clock in the morning. We do some cooking and stuff like that, and we head down there. I take the camera, everything to vlog and stuff like that to show you guys what we're doing. But the rain was crazy. Like there was so much rain, so I couldn't take out the camera at all. And like it was just me and my two brother and then some other friends and stuff. Jazz didn't go, or else maybe she would have do some videoing, but still like there was a lot of rain. I couldn't do any video. When we were going on the highway, I had a little bit of footage. Maybe just gonna put it in this thing you guys will see. And it wasn't raining at that time, but as soon as we get there it was like crazy rain all day. And so I'll give you guys a little bit of story. Obviously I don't have any footage or anything because I didn't vlog anything, but we went down there and we did a little bit of fishing. We catch like a quarter bucket of fish, and after that we leave the location. About a couple hours we spent at the first location, then we head to the second location, and they were more a bigger lake. So as soon as we put down our hooks, like these fish was going crazy. We just picking up fish. So at the end of the day, we hook up like one bucket of fish. Like we get so much fish, so much. We give away like half bucket, and we fry half bucket over there. We didn't bring home anything. I thought nobody gonna want it home, right? So we decided to fry everything over there and eat it and stuff like that. We had a nice time. We take a swim and all this kind of stuff. I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys because it was pouring and I want a camera after wet. Like if I had a GoPro for sure you guys would have seen it, because GoPro obviously is waterproof. I'll get one soon, and then like rainy weather, any kind of weather, you guys will see everything. And when while everyone was cleaning the fish and stuff like that, the fish is all ready and stuff. So what happened was, I actually take out the oil this morning, the morning when we left to go fishing, and I forget and I leave it on the counter at home. So when I check in the van, there was no oil. Like no oil, so I don't know what we're gonna do now. And we were making joke before I didn't know there was no oil in the van. We were making joke that, oh, we're gonna take out the van oil and just fry with that and stuff like that. But things become very serious that there was actually no oil. So then where we went was like a cottage area, and we take two bottle, like empty water bottle, and we go around in the neighborhood to ask for some oil. But nobody has oil because what happened was it's a cottage and everyone go over there for just vacation, like just sleep over and stuff like that. They don't have any oil. So then one of the guys told me if I drive down like 5 miles down, I'll get some oil and stuff like that. And I drive and I get a bottle of oil, and then I actually pick up one bag of flour too. And we head back, we fry it up, we take a swim, and then we decide to head back home. On the highway, I wish I could have shown you guys. Like, there was so much rain, I couldn't see the drive. There was so much rain. Like, the van was like actually moving with the wind and the rain, how hard it's falling. And that's all I did for the weekends. Monday, it was a long weekend. So Monday, I did a little housework and stuff like that. I clean up back my dad's van because usually when I go far fishing, his van is bigger than mine. I use his van. So I do a little clean up and stuff like that, so next time obviously I can get to use it again. And yeah guys, so that's all I did for the weekend. Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys did. I know it's been a while, I haven't come on the camera and stuff like that. So let's get started with setting up. For then, I'll pick up the camera when I'm ready. Let's see how this is gonna open. So guys, I'm gonna unbox it right now. I'll show you what is the alert. And I have it in a bag. I guess. So guys, this is what do you have there? The manual. I need this to use. So, and this is the Playpen sheet. Been bag made of stuff. They have it in a bag. Oh.
That's to store it after your first baby.
Yeah. Okay. So what are we doing here now? Take this out first. Okay. We'll see about that later. Oh. Okay, this thing is so. Put away the bag here, and I guess this is the.
Follow the bed. For when he's a baby.
This doesn't start yet.
I think you need to unbuckle it.
Oh. Okay. Here we
That's the
have-
changing pad.
what we have here. Oh, okay.
Okay, so it's coming now.
Oh, okay. So. Some clip, no?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Turn the lock, then lift. Okay. Turn the lock, then lift. Okay. I think it looks simple, but like it looks. You know what? I guess I need the manual.
He's a first time daddy. Of course you need the manual.
Not very simple stuff. Okay. Let's see what am I doing here. Okay. Press. Okay guys, so for the past 20 minutes I've been trying to set this stuff up. And the handler was giving me a bit of a task. So what happened was, I get this side to straight, I get this side to fix straight, but this two side wouldn't come up straight because what happened was the bottom, it was all the way in the bottom, like straight and flat. It needs to pull up and be in the top of the center instead. So what I basically did, I put this down and then I try to fix the arm. What I should have done, fix the arm first, then put the bottom down. And then it worked. So we get a playpen, guys.
Okay, now you put in the mattress.
Okay.
Here. You gotta clip them on.
Maybe.
So the daddy is working hard for the baby. Woke up your bird.
What are we gonna?
Yeah, but you picked it, eh?
Huh?
You're scared. He wants to know for putting the baby in like that. So you need to put on your bassinet and the changing pad now in. You didn't remember how it looked like on the store? They had to go on the outside, on the sides.
There's not anything there.
I think probably with this.
We'll figure this out just now.
That's a changing pad.
So, how's it gonna work? Just go like that.
No, one side is for that and one side is for the bassinet. Where is it? Here.
How this doesn't look? How this? Okay.
No, on the edges.
Running. Running. Okay. Okay. Stop, right?
I think you put them on wrong, no?
Hmm?
Did you put them on wrong?
Huh?
Good.
Okay, so the top or bottom? The bottom, right? Top.
Yeah, so they'll buckle him.
So what is this now?
To buckle the baby.
Wait. Buckle seatbelt?
Okay. I don't know what you gotta do for this one. Probably better for the next week.
Oh.
I can already see my little baby in there.
I need to see, no?
No.
Why this keeps slipping out? What now?
I gotta go on the side.
This here? What side?
I could go. Yeah. Look. I have to be there.
Baby, you're going to walk for the Baby,
Baby will tell you thank you.
you watch back and for you later.
If I can't fit there, put it in front.
How are you supposed to be?
It's very stiff. But basically his bottle and his pampers and stuff will go there.
Yeah, that's it.
Put my music system now. The diaper go in there. Put your music system over there.
Do you have to put it? I don't think so. I think you have to. I think you just put hold it and play it, no? Where is it? Let me see.
Please play good baby stuff.
Okay guys, baby, you better thank me later.
You will. So this is our baby's playpen. So this will be downstairs. And it fits perfectly in the corner there. So that's a changing pad. That's a bassinet. That's a storage compartment for his bottles and diapers and stuff. And this is his little music system. Okay, so his dad has set up his stuff for him.